Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. So today I would like to discuss some assignment questions in mathematics, okay, of class so-called 7th class. So the first question of the session: write the place values of. They have given some numbers, children. That is 345, and one more one is second one is 32.46. Okay, they are asking us to write down the place values of 3 over here. Okay, so as we know that place value is equal to face value into value of the place. Yes or no, children? So when you come across the first question over here, that is equal to place value is equal to face value. What is the face value of 3? The number itself, that is 3 into face value of the number itself into value of the place. What is the value of the place? This is ones, tens, hundreds. Yes or no? The value of the place will be 100. So 3 into 100, that is equal to 300. So place value of 3 and 3 in the number so called 345 is 300. Now coming to the second question, 32.46. Therefore, place value is equal to face value. What is the face value of 3, children? 3 into what is the value of place? That is 1 in the unit ones and tens. That is 10. That is equal to 3 tens are 30. Okay. The only thing you need to remember here is, children, the formula for the place value, that is place value is equal to face value into value of the place. Okay. Face value is nothing but the number itself into value of the place. If it is ones place, it is into 1. If it is tens place, into 10. If it is hundreds place, into 100. So in that way you need to conclude. If they are asking us to find out the what is the value of the place of 4 here, children, it is 10th place, that is 1 by 10. If they are asking the value of 6, okay, the value of the place will be 100th. Yes or no? In that way you need to conclude the answer. Okay. Now coming to the second question. Second one, Aruna and Radha start their journey from two different places, A and B. Okay, they have given a figure, children. I will draw the figure over here. A, B, C, D, E, and the distance among them is 7 kilometer. 8.25 kilometer, 3.75 kilometer, 2.4 kilometer, 9.5 kilometer. So this is the given data, children. Now Aruna choose the path from A to B to C. So we do have two persons here, children, Aruna and Radha. Now Aruna choose the path A to B and B to C. A to B and from then B to C. Whereas Radha choose the path from E to D, and there from D to C. Now they are asking who traveled more and by how much. Okay. So distance traveled by Aruna is equal to from A to B. From A to B, what is the distance, children? 9.5 kilometer plus B to C, 2.4 kilometer. Okay, that is equal to 9.5 plus 2.4, 9, 10, 11, so 11.5 plus 4, 9, 11.9 kilometers. So distance traveled by Aruna is 11.9 kilometers. So similarly, distance traveled by Radha is equal to from E to D is 8.25 kilometer plus D to C 3.75 kilometer. that is equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 kilometer. So we got the distance traveled by Radha and Aruna. Now Radha is 11.9 kilometers, children. The total distance traveled by Aruna, and total distance traveled by Radha is 12 kilometers. Now when we compare Aruna and Radha's distance, total distance, here Aruna is 11.9 whereas Radha is 12 kilometers. Yes or no? 12 is greater than 11.9. That means, therefore, we can say that Radha traveled more distance than Aruna, more distance than Aruna. By how much, children? By how much? 12 minus 11.9. Yes or no? 12 minus 11.9, that is equal to 0.1 kilometer by 0.1 kilometer. Yes? I hope it is clear to everyone, children. Yes. Coming to the third question, children. Listen to the question properly. Upendra went to the market to buy vegetables. Okay, he bought 2 kgs of 2 kgs 250 grams of tomatoes. So given that, we write the given data. Given that quantity of tomatoes is equal to 2 kg 250 grams. Okay, when you convert this grams in terms of kg, it will be 2.250 kg. Okay, 2.250 kg. Now, similarly, 2 kgs and 50 grams of potatoes. Quantity of potatoes is equal to 2 kg or 100 grams. So even this to convert into terms of kg, children, that is 2.500 kg. Yes, and 750 grams of lady's finger. Quantity of lady's finger is equal to, fingers is equal to 750 grams. 750 grams. When you convert the grams into kgs, it is 0.750 kg. Yes, 0.750 kg and 125 grams of green chilli. Quantity of green chilli. Green chillies is equal to how much, children? 125 grams. 125 grams. When you convert this 125 grams into kgs, children, it is 0.125 kg. Now they are asking how much weight did Upendra carry back to his house? The total weight. Okay, when you add all this, therefore total weight is equal to, the total weight is equal to, when you add all these 4, children, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 4 plus 5, 5. So it is 5.625, it is in terms of kg, right? So total weight is nothing but 5.625 kg, or this can also be written as 5 kg 625 grams. Okay, total weight is equal to either 5.625 kg, children. If you want to, you can convert it into grams also. So the resultant answer will be 5 kg 625 grams. Yes, I hope it is clear to everyone, children. Coming to the fourth question, children. Fourth one, find Find, and that is first one. 221.85 plus 37.10, and then second one is 39.70 minus 6.85. Okay, so when you write in a horizontal way, children, that is true vertical way, to be 221.85 and 37.10. When you add all these two integers over here, 5 plus 0 is nothing but 5, 8 plus 1 is nothing but 9, 7 plus 1, 8, 3 plus 2, 5, 2. So the resultant answer will be 258.95. 258.95. Now similarly, when you come up with the second question, children, that is 39.70 minus 6.85. You need to follow the procedure, children. Your point should be in an order, particular order. Okay. We cannot subtract 5 from 0, right? We need to take carry. That is 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5. We cannot subtract 8 from 6, so it will take a carry again. So it will become 8 and 16. 16 minus 8 is nothing but 8. 0.8 minus 6 is nothing but 2, 3. So the resultant answer will be 32.85. So we can say that therefore 221.85 plus 37.10 is equal to, the resultant answer will be 258.95, and similarly the resultant answer for 39.70 minus, when you subtract 8.65 from 39.70, then the resultant answer will be 32.85. So this is the answer for the given question. So I hope it is clear to everyone, children. Now coming to the last question for the session, 5th one. Fifth question. Express. The question is, they are asking us to express 45 millimeter in centimeter and meter. In centimeter and meter. See, so given first we convert it to centimeter, children. Okay, 45 millimeter. We don't know, right, how many centimeters. Let us consider it as x centimeter. Okay, and we all know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Yes or no? We all know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now just cross multiply, children. That is 45 ones are 45 is equal to 10 into x is nothing but 10x. Okay. Now interchange the position, children. 10x is equal to 45. X is equal to, when you send this 10 that side, multiplication will become division. So 45 divided by 10. Therefore, x is equal to 4.5. What is this x actually, children? X is nothing but in terms of centimeter. Yes or no? So 4.5 centimeter. Now coming to the second one, children. Convert this 45 millimeter into meter, right? So 45 millimeter. We don't know how much meter it is, right? So x meter. Okay, x meter. And as we all know that 1 meter is equal to how many millimeters, children? Actually, we all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, and again 100 into 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So it is nothing but in total we can say that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Yes or no? 1000 millimeter. So when you cross multiplication, 45 ones are 45 is equal to 1000 into x. Now interchange the position, children. That is 1000x is equal to 45. When you send this 1000 towards that side, multiplication will become division. So x is equal to 45 by 1000. So therefore x is equal to, when you write down in terms of decimal, children, the answer will be 0.045. 0.045, and x is nothing but what, children? Here it is nothing but in terms of meter. In terms of meter. So the answer will be, therefore x is equal to 0.4045 meter. 0.045 meter. Okay. So if you we can say that therefore 45 millimeter is nothing but equal to 4.5 centimeter. Yes, that is equal to 0.045 meter. Okay. Yes. So I hope it is clear to everyone, children. So by this we will wind up the session, and in the tomorrow's session we will come up with a few more examples and questions. Hope it is clear to everyone, children. Thank you, everyone.